Are you tired of 2019 with its ups and downs, with the stock market, this crazy weather? Or maybe you're just tired of going up and down stairs. Hi, I'm Jake Tysiak with Keller Williams, and join me this Saturday from 12 to 2, January 4th, to tour this wonderful house. It's a 3-bedroom ranch with 2 bathrooms, as well as a beautiful sunroom and an excellent layout. This 3-bedroom, 2-bath ranch home is a fantastic place to call home. You can see this living space is nice and open. You've got plenty of room for your family to gather on those evenings, as well as a large kitchen with plenty of storage for all your pots and pans. Of course, you got room for a dining room table as well, and for you plant lovers, you'll really appreciate this sunroom, which has plenty of sunlight coming through with southern exposure. So for a ranch home, this master bedroom has plenty of space. The room's actually 17 by 12 feet, leaving you plenty of space for all your furniture with a large bed, even a little room for a sitting area, so you can really expand. And of course, any master suite, you have your own master bath as well with a large walk-in closet. So again, we'll be out here at 3079 Charter Drive this Saturday, January 4th from 12 to 2, and we really look forward to seeing you. If you have any questions in the meantime, feel free to give me a call or shoot me a message, and I hope you have a great start to your New Year's.